Klaviyo offers two primary methods for building email templates: the intuitive drag and drop editor and custom HTML coding. The drag and drop editor provides a visual interface perfect for quick template creation, while custom HTML coding allows for advanced, customized layouts. As of December 2025, Klaviyo's platform emphasizes AI-driven tools, with the AI template generator speeding up template creation for both novice and advanced users. These methods empower you to create engaging and effective email campaigns, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Klaviyo's drag and drop editor provides a user-friendly visual interface for building email templates without coding experience. You can easily add elements like images, text blocks, and buttons by selecting them from a sidebar panel. Templates are structured using rows and columns, which allows for precise control over your email layout. Each block can be customized with specific spacing, fonts, and colors to match your brand. This intuitive approach makes template creation accessible to everyone, and according to 2025 data, 70% of Klaviyo templates are built using drag and drop. Maintain consistency with global styles and themes to ensure your email templates look professional and cohesive across all communications. For advanced customization, you can use custom CSS within the drag and drop editor to fine-tune styling elements like fonts, colors, and layouts. Importantly, ensure mobile optimization, as 65% of emails are opened on mobile devices according to recent data. Klaviyo now fully supports advanced mobile-first responsive design by default, with real-time previews for various devices to ensure your templates look perfect on any screen. For users with coding experience, Klaviyo supports custom HTML templates with inline CSS. This allows for highly customized email designs that go beyond the drag-and-drop interface. However, when using custom HTML, it's crucial to ensure compatibility with Klaviyo's email rendering engine. This prevents display issues across different email clients and devices. Custom HTML provides greater flexibility for complex layouts and unique branding elements. Advanced users can create sophisticated designs that perfectly match their brand identity. Zappos demonstrated the power of custom HTML in their A/B testing. By using HTML coding instead of drag and drop alone, they achieved an 18% improvement in conversions for their high-engagement customer segments. This shows how custom HTML can deliver significant results when used by experienced marketers who understand email coding best practices. Klaviyo's AI template generator allows users to quickly create basic email templates from simple text prompts, reducing build time by up to 50%. Simply input a prompt like "create a holiday sale email," and the AI generates a drag-and-drop template instantly. The platform also uses predictive analytics to automatically segment audiences based on user behavior, improving campaign effectiveness. AI-generated content, such as subject lines, reduces manual effort and helps optimize for higher engagement. For example, AI can generate personalized subject lines automatically. Klaviyo users achieve an average of 35% open rates, higher than the industry average of 22%. Partly due to these AI features. Utilize Klaviyo's built-in A/B testing to optimize your templates by comparing different variations and measuring their performance. Perform spam checks to ensure your emails reach inboxes. Always adhere to CAN-SPAM laws and implement GDPR-compliant data handling to protect user privacy and meet legal requirements. Always test your emails across different devices and email clients to ensure proper rendering. Poor rendering can negatively impact up to 30% of your campaigns. Ensure your emails don't resemble spam or phishing attempts that could harm deliverability and compliance. Email marketing is trending towards AI and automation. Look for deeper AI integration, generative design tools, and potentially machine learning optimizing layouts. Sustainability in email, such as carbon-neutral sending, is also emerging. Experts like Neil Patel emphasize pairing drag-and-drop simplicity with HTML for true creativity. Brands report 5x ROI on email marketing investments using Klaviyo, with AI features boosting efficiency by 25%.